Hello lovelies, welcome back to this channel, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this glycolic acid face cleanser, a mild chemical exfoliant that will help to combat acne and pimples in an acne and pimples prone skin. So to make 100 grams of this face cleanser, I'll be measuring up 90 grams of my distilled water. Make sure you're using distilled water, and then I'll be measuring up 5 grams of my vegetable glycerin. But please don't forget to run a quick sanitizing on your tools and your environment surface to make sure that your formulation is germ-free, because it's totally water-based. Okay, so back to our vegetable glycerin. I'll be having in my vegetable glycerin about 0.4 grams of Xantar Gum. Xantar Gum will help us to take in our cleanser because we do not want it to be all watery. So 0.4 grams of Xantar Gum into my vegetable glycerin. Please do not add your Xantar Gum directly to water because it will be hard to dissolve. So first of all, dissolve it thoroughly in your vegetable glycerin before you transfer it into the water. To completely dissolve your Xantar Gum in your vegetable glycerin and in distilled water, you can just go place it in a double boiler. Continue stirring and make sure until it is totally dissolved. It will be a kind of cloudy, but it's just fine. So after the Xantar Gum is fully dissolved, you can bring it out. And then quickly, I'm just going to go up to measure up my glycolic acid. I'm going to be using 4 grams of glycolic acid here, and I'll quickly top it up with 0.8 gram of a Derma Plus preservative because I do not have a scale to measure as low as 0.8, so I just have to top it up on this scale. So here I have my glycolic acid 4 grams, and then I have my Derma Plus preservative 0.8 grams. So I'm just going to dispense this into my already mix of distilled water, vegetable glycerin and Xantar Gum. Note that your Xantar Gum can vary in quantity from 0.2% to 0.5% because some people would want a different consistency. Some want it to be a bit running, while some want it to be a bit jelly. And your glycolic acid should be about 0.2% to 0.5% for normal exfoliating. Adding more might result to peel. So after here, we're just going to quickly check our pH of the formulation because we have to make sure that this is compatible with the skin. So using my pH strip, I'm just going to place few liquids on it and then match up with my pH paper. Glycolic acid works best between the pH of 4 to 5. So on our pH paper, the pH of our formulation falls between 4 and 5, which makes it very suitable for use on the skin. So this glycolic acid cleanser will help to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells from the top of the skin and also going deep into the pores to open them, and this will enable your skincare products to work perfectly on you. I'm simply going to transfer my formulation into my 100 ml bottle. Please always ensure that your bottle is well sterilized, as this will aim to improve the shelf life of your formulation. To use this, apply liquid into a cotton pad and cleanse the face with it after bath before sleep at night. It is best to use at night because sometimes, to some people, chemical exfoliant may cause sunburn when exposed to the sun. This formulation has a shelf life of about 1 year and 6 months. Please endeavor to follow us on all our social media platforms and to subscribe to this channel. I really wish to see you in my next video. For now, take care.